dilaw.
Dude, I have superpowers.
Nasisiraan ka ba ng ulo?
No, dude, I'm saying the truth.
What the freak happened? I was minding my own business and you appeared. I was thinking about your house and poof!
No. Wow! This isn't a game turn if people find out.
Relax, we're fine. But wait. Who else was at the plaza?
I don't know, but we need to find them. Look at Hero. He looks like he done many things.
Did you see that?
Yes, past 3
Okay, dude. Spill it.
Spill what?
Alam namin.
Okay, fine. Okay guys, let's test out our powers. I'll try speed. Very cute. Alberto, you were spying? We're not using this power to bully people. Alberto!
Don't be boring, Kyle. Join me or get out of the way. Kababayan. There's 3 of us, and you alone. I like those odds. You're counting wrong.
Everyone,
It's all over, Alberto.
Fine, let me up.
We're not fighting, just trying to survive.
Whatever, you guys are strong.
truce.
Truth, but next time I'm winning.
Did you see that? Like a superhero team.
Yeah, we do. It's almost dark. We should head home. What do you want?
You really are weak.